We are all set for fixture number 19 at the third edition of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. And it's going to be a contest between defending champions Ratnagiri Jets and the currently bottom-placed Satara Warriors. Saurav Navle won the toss for the Satara Warriors and decided to bowl first. Changes, remember, rung in by both teams. And the big one for Ratnagiri Jets, the two-time winners and defending champions. Nikhil Nayak, the big hitter, is back.
Let's have a look at these two subs, what they have. Ratnagiri Jets, Pradeep Dare, Sahil Churi is big name out there. Manoj Yadav, Kunal Thorat and Yogesh Chavan. Satara Warriors, they have Saurabh, Vivek, Jagdish Jhope, Suraj Chavan and Aniruddha Sable. Let's see whom they're going to pick today.
Atharva and Dheeraj.
Vaibhav Darkundi starting off the proceedings for the Satara Warriors. It's going to be a great day.
All set for the second game of today's Sunday triple header. Let's play is the decision. Play is the decision. Vaibhav Darkunde barreling in and in
To play the game.
that struck powerfully down the ground. No chance for the bowler to apprehend that. First four in the innings. Atharva Singh talking and catch taken. The setup, the build-up pays off for Samadhan and he picks up a wicket on debut. Look at that.
गया था और वही कर दिया. गेंदबाजी देखिए, पता था आगे आके मारने की कोशिश और सामने रखा. मिड ऑफ ही था, उसी के हाथों में गेंद जा थमाई और ये पहले विकेट इनके नाम पे, पहली सफलता और किस तरह से ली है. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. अथर्व को जाना हुआ वापस 7 बना के 9 पे 1.
Play and Kiran Chormale will have to showcase his wares.
What a shot that one is. Fantabulous shot. Got the full arc of the bat. Did it go for a 6 or a 4?
देखा था कल हमने WMPL की फाइनल में 1 रन से मुकाबला.
The ground staff, everybody in tandem, and that one right up in the... Samadhan also doing well. This is a rank wide outside the leg stump. There was no need for that one. Now the opposite team will get 5 runs. Again, use the pace. There was a stationed fielder there. Just a while ago we were talking. He was trying to...
बड़ी विकेट, बढ़िया विकेट. यहाँ पे धीरज पटांगरे को वापस भेजा है. पवन शाह जी हाँ वहां पे पहले से मौजूद थे, लेकिन थोड़ा उन्हें पीछे ढकेला था. थर्ड मैन देखे 30 आके थमा गई सीधी. 12 बना के धीरज वापस 37 पे.
Talismanic captain Azim Khazi. He'll need to.
And that is what you expect from an experienced campaigner, Rajwardhan.
ये कमाल की गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं भाई. यहाँ कैप्टन को ही आउट किया है, इनफॉर्म बैटर को आउट किया है इन्होंने. इनको अजीम काजी 1 रन बना के आउट हुए.
Continues this bowling spell.
स्लिप रखनी चाहिए यहाँ पे.
Wickets. And this time straying down the legs. Easy pickings for Abhimanyu. This is a gift from Rajwardhan to Abhimanyu. Goes for the big stroke. He's got the height, but not the distance. There's a field underneath it and an easy peasy catch for the fielder.
Abhimanyu. And this is, look at that. He just tried to punch it out of the ground, but just not getting that elevation. And Jadhav departs for 6. Jets 57 for 4.
Versus left arm spin, he has already hit 5 consecutive sixes.
देखियो मैच अलग.
Change in pace, spotted that. And finally, after 31 deliveries, a 6 is delivered. In
A nice flower on top.
again this time, Kiran Chormale is on fire here. One
Lunch.
Oh!
And this is what happened in the last ball of the last over. A regulation catch popping out, juggling around, but didn't land up in the hands. How could you miss that, my man? And that too of the batter. I don't think so. They got to score more than that one. A good target would be, and this is, you just asked me about the target. I think they've heard us and keep the score moving. And then you get a shot like this. This is played on the leg side, again getting a 4. Enjoyed my time there. And this is Hoitwan. Should be caught straight into the hands of the fielder.
अभी हम बात ही कर रहे थे कि इनकी जिम्मेदारी है बड़े शॉट्स मारना. कोशिश तो थी वहां पे, लेकिन बैट पे वो गेंद आई नहीं अच्छी तरीके से. वहां पे हर जाना होगा वापस 14 बना के. इट्स 99 for 5. और एक रन इनके नाम पे 50 पूरे करेंगे किरण चोरमले अपने नाम के सामने लगाते हुए. ये बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी उनके तरफ से. वेल प्लेड किरण. It's
But also with the gloves in hand. Goes aerial, goes big, but there's a fielder and a safe pair of hands takes this catch. Kiran Chormale, he was looking.
52 runs to his name. And at the conclusion of the 16th over,
बड़ा चांस लिया पर चौका यहाँ पर. काफी लेट खेले सॉफ्ट हैंड से. अच्छी गेंद थी. देखो उछाल मिला उधर. अंपायरिंग बढ़िया रही इस टूर्नामेंट में. बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर. ये अभिषेक पवार के बल्ले से छक्का सीधा लॉन्ग ऑफ के दिशा में. क्लास.
From the Jets. The engine needs to warm up and Abhishek Pawar is showing his class. He's showing his elegance.
Again.
sweet as sugar, up in the air. Easy catch there and wicket haul. This has been for the speedster.
क्रॉस सिम गेंद थी ये. और ये शॉट भी इन्होंने आधा मारा, पूरा भी मारा नहीं. पूरा मारते हैं तो बिल्कुल ये बाहर जाती. मुझे लगता है जो इंजरी हुई पर निखिल नायक की बड़ी विकेट. 8 रन बनाए 12 गेंद खेल के.
That slashed and slashed hard and deposited into the stands. Abhishek Pawar, you beauty. But he can pack a punch. But there's a fielder there and his shot, but sweet.
Will be disappointed that he didn't get all of it. Pawar goes back for 20.
और यहाँ पर बड़ा शॉट. यहाँ पर हवा में गेंद है. ये छक्का हो सकता है आखिरी गेंद पर.
Strike. Satyajit goes long, but this is Askaya. 3 fielders converging, none of them able to get to it. A couple of runs taken. Can they turn it into a third run? Nope. Run out. And that is going to be a wicket to close out the 20th over.
Just a couple of runs to finish off the last ball, the innings, 146. Standing tall with 3 wickets in his 4-over spell. For Ratnagiri Jets, the batting proceedings were started by Atharva and Dheeraj. Not the biggest of opening part wickets was what the Satara Warriors could account for of Ratnagiri Jets. 6 bowlers used by the captain of Satara Warriors, Saurabh Navle, and the pick of the bowlers was Rajwardhan Hangargekar. 4 overs, 14 dot ball.
And 47 from their 20-over allocation. We'll be back with live action shortly.
40. So this is a big match for Pawan Shah. He needs to. Bhosle on the other hand, Nikhil Nayak has been subbed out, and in comes Pradeep Dade. Okay, Pawan Shah on strike. What a start! What a fantastic start! Starts off with a boundary. Pawan Shah has made a statement.
The pitch is over here.
This time bit of width and one more boundary. What a international stadium. Lucky boundary there. That ends the first over. And take that. What a start to the over by Om Bhosle. He is dismissed that. Clean ball. That's the lift that they needed. Om Bhosle has been
Aggressive, very in form, is castled, played on by Pradeep Dade. A very good wicket in the end.
for 7. It's 21 for 1.
उतना बेहतर रहेगा टीम के लिए. देखिए रन्स तो आ ही रहे, रन्स तो रुक ही नहीं रहे बिल्कुल भी. और ये हल्के हाथों से खेला, बहुत जोर से नहीं मारा.
And just to show that he's not just a touch player, he strikes one over the cover. Corinthian Resorts and Club. And picks that up nicely. It's gone. That's the first 6 of the innings.
What a pickup shot that is.
Change of pace, spotted that one nicely, and will get a boundary. Dances down the track, and has he connected? Yes. So he continues his merry way.
That's the answer to the Satara Warriors. Now we talk too much about a player, and this is what happened. That's why I don't want to keep on praising a batter.
अनिरुद्ध ने बनाए 17, सतारा वॉरियर्स 50 पे 2.
Give him a birthday gift. Not if they bowl balls like that. Prathame. Yeah, that is just the definition of stand and deliver. Yeah, he's just gotten into the zone. He's taken some time, but now the shots are coming, and so are the runs.
Oh, deft touch there. The fielder chasing it, but it whistles away to the third boundary.
Turnaround times of less than 6 hours. But at the moment, it's the experience of Satyajit Bachao that's key.
ये गेंद थोड़ी आगे डाली थी, बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश. हेड पोजीशन कहीं भी नहीं था और उनका बैलेंस भी नहीं था. बिल्कुल बड़ी विकेट पवन शाह की. सेट बैट्समैन आउट हुए. पवन शाह ने 45 बनाए. बोल्ड सत्यजीत 22 गेंदें खेली.
Struggled in the first 2 games. Oh boy, are we on to something here? 2 in 2 makes Satyajit Bachao now the highest wicket taker in the history of the MPL. Is his game on?
एब्सोल्यूट के पास है गेंदबाज जो बढ़िया बल्लेबाज है. यहाँ पर कमाल का शॉट. ये एक क्लास था. अनिकेत
शॉर्ट बॉल पुल करने की कोशिश. बढ़िया शॉट. 4 रन लिखी थी इस पे. बढ़िया शॉट था वहां पे. जैसे गेंद दिखी
दबाव बना सकते हैं और विकेट ले सकते हैं. लीजिए और रन जोड़ दीजिए इसमें. ये गेंद रुकेगी नहीं. जो इतनी देर से दबाव बना हुआ था ना, वो एक ही ओवर में दबाव खुलता दिख रहा है.
Now it is here finally. The rain gods are here, and the ground staff, as always, ready. 31 more runs were needed, but at the same time, one eye on the DLS par score, you'll realize that at this stage, Satara Warriors are ahead. Method, the Duckworth-Lewis turn method. That's the story. Ratnagiri Jets batting first posted 146 for 9 courtesy Kiran Sormale's 52. Rajwardhan Hangarkekar picked up 3 wickets, and the wickets are shared by Vaibhav Chogule and the debutant Samadhan Pangare. And in response, Satara Warriors were nicely poised with Aniket Porwal and Arshal Kate leading the charge with their unbroken 40-run stand for the 5th wicket. And the news is Satara Warriors have won the contest by 14 runs.